Hi, okay, so I need you to check our listings and make sure, like, I don't know why this is happening, but maybe there's a setting that is in here, but if you look here, it says expedited shipping and 1 day shipping. And looks like it's probably going through Joe Lister. So with Joe Lister, there's really not that option. So this is very important that these can't be on here. I don't know why they are. So if you could go through the listings and make sure they're not on there, and then if they are, take them off, but remove that service. Also, handling time um, needs to be 5 days. Also, like on this one, like you can fix the titles a little better. The reason this isn't selling is because it doesn't have that in there. So, also another thing I noticed is that this is not the right email. It needs to be FBA Dan from now on.